welcome to 12 Days of Famous. So today I thought I would make some Christmas cookies. I'm going to my family's place tomorrow for a early Christmas catch up, and I thought it'd be fun to make some really festive biscuits to take along, or cookies as people in the United States would say. We usually call them biscuits, which I understand for you guys in the States that means like a bread roll. I'm not sure if you know what I'm not sure if you use the term bread roll or that's an Aussie thing again, but like, yeah, to try and translate, I may say biscuits, and when I do, I mean what you guys call cookies. So anyway, I've found a recipe on taste.com and I'll try and link that down below. I am probably going to make a few adjustments to it just because I think I have slightly different ingredients. Mainly I think it asked for like an almond essence, and I don't have that, but I have got a chocolate one, and I'm tossing up whether I want to put some like Christmas spices in, you know, like the allspice thing, and make them sort of a spiced cookie. I don't know yet though, but then the fun thing about making these is you can decorate them. So I have really cool like cookie cutters and things like that that I'm going to use. I bought some of these before my whole I'm not going to have snow on things deal. So I did get these little snowflakes, but I also just thought they were so pretty too, because the shape of a snowflake just looks so lovely. So even though we don't have snow and so forth, these are the ones I have. Otherwise my other ones aren't Christmassy either. Like I've got a random assortment of like I don't know, a butterfly, a little teapot, an ice cream. I don't know, I've got some other random things. I don't know, I might use a couple of those if I can work out a way to make them festive. We'll see. Anyway, I thought it'd be fun to share with you guys my biscuit making adventures and then decorate them and so forth. So let's get started because we've got a bit to do. I also have some fun things to decorate them with. I asked my husband to pick up some like Christmas decorating things for the biscuits, and he got like so many because apparently he was trying to get Christmas colors, you know, red, gold and green, but they were all kind of separated into different containers. So we've got ones with like different multicolored sprinkles in it. Got these little like pearl things, the sugar pearls in different colors. I've got these which are like shimmery sugar things and stuff like that. I also have some other things that I've had for a while, these little sugar like pearlized confetti things that look like little snowflakes. And then even more special, I have a whole bunch of different they're just sugar transfer things that you can like place on things, like edible things, and they're so pretty. These are like feathers, which I don't know if it really goes, but it might be nice. And then I do have some snowflakes as well. So we've got a lot of different things to decorate with. Don't know yet how I'm going to do these. We'll wait for inspiration to hit once we've made them. So first things first, I need to make the biscuits. So let's do that. Alright, so I've got to soften this butter a little bit, so I'm just going to put it in the microwave, I don't know, at 30-second intervals, just till it's a bit soft, so that then I can beat it together with the sugar. So let's do that first. So yeah, it turns out 30 seconds was well and truly enough. It is so soft. So, yay!
I'm going to say Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, Be sure to know.
She's a bit chunky. So I need to try and get all this batter out of the beaters here, and then I need to put it all together, put it in the fridge, let it cool down a bit because it's just easier to cut it with the cutters and everything. And I think it just doesn't spread out as much when it's cooking. So we're going to do that, and by the magic of television, we will be back.
Johnny wants a pair of skates. Susie wants a sled. Nellie.
It was a little too sticky, so I added a bit of flour, and now she's nice and good consistency for biscuits, I think.
One she hasn't read. Now I think I'll leave to you what to give a rest.
I think it's cold enough, so let's give it a try and cut these cookies out. Well, this one fell apart really easily. I don't think this recipe is very good for really large biscuits for some reason. I don't know why. This just seemed to be really fragile, a little too cakey. But this size seems to work out fine, so I'm making all the smaller ones instead. No more big ones. It tastes good though. finished the Christmas biscuits. Thanks for coming along with me while I make these. I was gonna make some green ones as well, but like I had so much red icing, and I think in 2020 we don't need to make things more difficult than they already are, so I just went with the red and did all different decorations on them and tried to make them a little bit fun. So I can't really hold this plate up fully to show you, but I'll insert some clips to show you the finished product of the biscuits. Look, they were just a simple sort of sugar cookie biscuit, simple designs on it, nothing too difficult. I have done ones before where I've done multiple colors and, you know, decorations and fill-ins and stuff like that, but I just wanted this one to be really easy and straightforward, and plus we're going to the Christmas thing tomorrow, so they have to be done for that. So anyway, I'll leave it there. Hope you're enjoying 12 Days of Christmas in Faewood. Tune in again tomorrow because there's going to be more of me, unless you're sick of me, and then don't tune in. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.